Alright, here's a little overview slash install video on the Linelock I put on my LS1 Camaro. This one's a 99 police package car. So I end up using Texas Speed Linelock kit. So you can see the solenoid down there. It gives you two lines. One that goes into the master, and to the top of the solenoid, and then one on the bottom of the solenoid, down there, and up into your ABS. You see you got two wires on it. One I just put to ground right here. Shouldn't matter which one. And then the other one is 12 volts. Comes from in the car. So I thought you'd have to bleed the system, like you would normally bleed a brake system on the calipers. But what I ended up doing was I tightened all of the fittings, kind of got it in place, self-tappers in here to hold the solenoid. I left this one loose, and I got a friend to push the brake pedal nice and slow and watch the bubbles come out. And then when all the bubbles stopped, it was just fluid. Told him to hold it, and I tightened it up the rest of the way, and that did it. Brake pedal feels pretty good. Maybe down the road I'll bleed it properly, but so far it feels great. So yeah, with this not energized, it feels like a regular car. You wouldn't even know that the Linelock is in there. I'm gonna show you the inside of how I got that wired up. Oh, okay. So there's my wideband and my temperature gauge. I have a switch panel down here in the center console. So this one is for my gauges. I have this one. It's for the Linelock. So you have to have that one up, and then you have the button on the shifter, which actually works for the solenoid. I don't know if you can hear that or not. So what you can do is you can push the brake pedal pretty firmly, and then hold the button, let go of the brakes, and your front brakes are locked. And then you can do whatever you want and roast the tires. And when you're done, you just let go of the button and you're off.